If you've got bolts that have to be extremely tight or stuck wheel nuts you need to remove, you're going to want one of these impact wrenches from RYOBI. Be warned, it's not your standard impact wrench. It delivers a huge 900 Newton meters of breakaway torque. That's way more power than a standard DIY impact wrench. Many motoring enthusiasts with their own machinery know the benefits of impact wrenches when working on their vehicles and equipment, because many of their applications demand high torque. Try driving this with a standard impact wrench. The impressive performance of this tool is provided by RYOBI's HP Advanced Technologies. One of these features is the 4-mode selector. 3 preset speed and torque settings that are designed to match the task you're undertaking. And an auto assist mode that ensures you don't over-tighten fasteners or damage the material you're working on. The impact wrench is part of the RYOBI HP series of tools. Each tool has a brushless motor that delivers more power, extended battery run times, and longer motor life. HP series tools also have superior ergonomics to deliver high performance and a premium user experience. Other features include a 1/2-inch square anvil with friction ring for quick socket changes. Even though this HP series tool delivers greater performance, it still uses the same 18-volt batteries that power more than 100 ONE+ tools in the RYOBI power and outdoor equipment range. So now you know, when you need serious power for a serious job, reach for your RYOBI 18-volt ONE+ HP brushless impact wrench.
RYOBI, a cut above.